So when it came to the process, obviously it's something that we hadn't done before. So this is definitely a first. But we we found out that you need to prepare for the preparation. So that is something new that we didn't know existed. But when it came to the end product, it all made sense. And just when you look at the intricate steps in between, what you go through and the details that it takes to set up a shoot, you understand why that effort needs to be put in. Certainly on shoot day, things ran very smoothly, which is what we're grateful for, and that was all because of the work that was done before, the necessary work that we didn't know we had to do. So with all those steps, being taken care of and just being walked through the process, we had a wonderful end product and a process that ultimately wasn't painful at all.